Hello, my fellow food lovers. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of fish buns. These aren't your average sandwiches. Oh no, these are little pockets of pure joy, bursting with flavor and crunch. Don't worry, they're surprisingly easy to make. Let's get started, I promise. Once you smell the aroma of golden fried fish and fresh buns, you'll be hooked. So, put on your apron, and let's get cooking. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients. Don't worry, nothing here is too fancy. We're all about simple, delicious food. For the fish, you'll need some white fish fillets. Cod, haddock, or tilapia work well. For the coating, plain flour, eggs, and breadcrumbs will give our fish a crispy coating. For the buns, choose soft, fluffy buns. Sesame seed buns are my favorite. For the veggies, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, whatever you fancy. For the sauce, tartar sauce is a classic, but feel free to get creative. First, we'll prepare our fish. Pat the fillets dry with a paper towel. This helps the coating stick better. Now season them generously with salt and pepper. You can also add a squeeze of lemon juice for extra zing. Remember, we want our fish to be bursting with flavor, so don't be shy with the seasoning. Now, for the fun part, the coating. Prepare 3 shallow dishes. One with flour, one with beaten eggs, and one with breadcrumbs. Dip each fish fillet first in the flour, then the egg, and finally, the breadcrumbs. Press the breadcrumbs gently to make sure they stick. This coating will create a beautiful golden crust when fried. It's like giving our fish a suit of armor. Heat some oil in a large frying pan. You'll know it's hot enough when a pinch of breadcrumbs sizzles immediately. Carefully place the coated fish fillets in the hot oil. Fry them for a few minutes on each side until they're golden brown and cooked through. The sound of sizzling fish and the smell of crispy coating are pure heaven. Once cooked, remove the fish from the pan and place them on a plate lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. While the fish is cooling slightly, slice your buns in half. Now, let's assemble our masterpieces. Spread your favorite sauce on both sides of the bun. Add a piece of crispy fish. Top it with fresh lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy onions. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. Add some pickles, jalapenos, or anything else your heart desires. And there you have it, a plate of golden crispy fish buns ready to be devoured. Take a bite and let the flavors explode in your mouth. The crispy fish, the soft bun, the tangy sauce, the fresh veggies, it's a symphony of deliciousness. These fish buns are perfect for a quick lunch, a satisfying dinner, or even a fun snack. They're guaranteed to be a hit with the whole family. So, what are you waiting for? Head to your kitchen and whip up a batch of these incredible fish buns. I promise, you won't regret it. Until next time, happy cooking.